I hope you are enjoying your days. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like under 3 minutes. You see, it's a great looking like. Let's try to create it. At first, we need to add a new slide. In the new slide, we need to create these shapes. How we create them? They are just simply, as you can see, they are some triangle. Let's go here. You can find the shape we want here. We create one of them. Let me just reduce it in size and create a new one because the past one is too big. Okay, this is good. After creating that, we just simply need to rotate it. Put 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here. Now we need to change the order. For that, we bring this front, and bring this front. Now we change the colors to yellow, some orange, and absolutely blue. And then select all of them, go to shape format and set shape outline to none and give them some top left shadows. And then our shape is ready. We need our text. We just simply copy our text. Our text is Overdrive Sunset text. You can create easily. It has nothing special. Now we copy this slide. Here we need to increase the top side part and reduce the inner side. We can do this like that. Now we bring this to top. And after that, we copy our text and paste it here. Okay, our text is ready. Now we create another copy of that. We delete our text and just simply reduce this size and copy the text and paste it here. Okay, let me just make it a little smaller. Everything is okay. Now set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. It's some kind of enjoying how beautiful it looks like. If you like this kind of content, you may find many of them in my channel. Until then, have a nice time.